Welcome back. It's now time for the financial week. To an update now on the Mystic Mountain bankruptcy matter, the trustee on the case, attorney-at-law Debbie Gordon, has resigned. After a failed attempt by inspectors to remove her from the post a few weeks ago, the trustee in the Mystic Mountain matter, attorney-at-law and licensed insolvency trustee Debbie Gordon, has resigned. She's the third trustee to be appointed in the matter. Ms. Gordon, who took up the responsibility in August last year, stepped down late this afternoon.
I have taken the decision to tender my resignation with immediate effect as trustee of the estate of Mystic Mountain Limited in bankruptcy to pursue the personal cost orders in a different forum.
Ms. Gordon says she faced numerous roadblocks when attempting to execute her duties.
The proceedings have not been carried in a way that I believe is consistent with the Bankruptcy Act. I have sought at all times to discharge my duties as trustee in accordance with the law and to conduct myself with professional integrity. But as I said, in light of how these proceedings have unfolded, the conduct of the bankruptcy proceedings, I have had to take the decision to withdraw.
A trustee in bankruptcy presides over the administration of the entity or person that has become bankrupt. This includes analyzing the state of affairs, reviewing claims against the estate, and the payout of sums from the liquidation of assets. As it relates to the Mystic Mountain case, however, she told us that the sale of the company to North Jam has not made much headway. In August, we were told the sale would be completed in September.
The update I received in writing is that the assets have not been disposed of. The best person to ask that question is the receiver. He has been in exclusive possession of the property and the business. I was advised that the sale has not yet progressed.
So, who has been paid?
There is a secured creditor who has taken charge of Mystic Mountain from the time of its bankruptcy. So that secured creditor will be paid in priority to all other unsecured creditors, and it's subject to any remaining funds or any surplus funds available for unsecured creditors. The receiver has not handed over to the bankruptcy trustee, and there have been no funds made available to the estate. So at this point, there are no funds available for payments to be made to unsecured creditors.
There are more than 200 unsecured creditors. Sky High Holdings is the agent for the secured creditor JCSD Trustee Services Limited, which is owed $1.1 billion. North Jam Island Tours was approved by the Supreme Court in August as the purchaser of Mystic Mountain. The purchase price was $13.4 million US. And of course, we'll continue to track those developments for you. Now let's head to the stock market. The JSE index gained 212 points today, while the junior market index increased by 19 points. Among the 53 winners were Lasco Financial Services, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, Everything Fresh, Epley 7.5% shares due 2024, and Epley Caribbean Property Funds SCC. The 35 losers were led by ISP Finance Services, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Knutsford Express Services, or parent company Radio Jamaica, and Salada Foods. Now 19 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading today. And the Jamaican dollar lost 19 cents compared to the US currency at the close of trading today. $1 is being sold for $156.33 on average. Now, this is the highest rate the Jamaican dollar has traded against the US dollar since February 2022. The Canadian dollar is selling at $114.95. $193.36 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $167.23 for the euro. And that's it for the financial week. Please stay with us. The business review promo as well as news from overseas are right after the break.